Imagine you're starting an online store. You've got the perfect idea, a stunning logo, and a website that's almost ready. But then, you hit a wall. Where do you find all those amazing products to sell? That's where AliDropship comes in. It's like a magical product portal that connects you to countless suppliers on AliExpress. But how do you actually add these products to your store? Let's dive in. Before we start, let's quickly understand what AliDropship is. It's a plugin that integrates with your WordPress website, turning it into a fully fledged dropshipping store. This means you don't have to stock any inventory or handle shipping. When a customer buys a product, AliDropship automatically places the order with the supplier, who then ships it directly to the customer. Step-by-step guide. Install and activate the AliDropship plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Plugins. Click Add New and search for AliDropship. Install and activate the plugin. Create a supplier account. Once activated, the plugin will prompt you to create a supplier account. This is where you'll connect to AliExpress suppliers. Import products. Go to the Products section in your WordPress dashboard. Click Add New. In the product editor, look for the AliDropship meta box. Click the Import from AliExpress button. Search for the product you want to import using the AliExpress search bar. Select the product and click Import. Customize product details. After importing, you can customize the product's title, description, price, and other details to match your branding and target audience. Set shipping and payment options. Configure shipping rates and payment methods for your store. AliDropship integrates with popular payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe. Publish your product. Once you're satisfied with the product details, click the Publish button to make it available on your store. Use the AliDropship Product Finder. This tool helps you find trending products that are likely to sell well. Check supplier ratings. Before importing a product, check the supplier's ratings and reviews on AliExpress to ensure quality and reliability. Optimize product images. Use high-quality images that showcase the product from different angles. Write compelling product descriptions. Use persuasive language to entice customers and highlight the product's benefits. Adding products to AliDropship is a straightforward process that can help you quickly build a profitable online store. By following these steps and leveraging the plugin's features, you can create a compelling shopping experience for your customers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, remember, the key to success in dropshipping lies in finding the right products, optimizing your store, and providing excellent customer service.